Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be testing a scalping strategy on the 1 in 5 minute, and it's supposed to be really easy and have a 90% win rate from the person who found it. Alright, so I'm going to be using 3 different indicators to help you guys get gains like what you see here, and we're going to check out the backtesting. So it works for crypto, forex, and but I've found that it works actually better on cryptocurrency, especially the BTC USD on Bybit. So yeah, subscribe to my cryptocurrency YouTube channel, sign up to Bybit, join the Discord, join the Telegram, all of that stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, the first indicator here is going to be this, or the you have to be above the EMA. Then we have to make sure that the volume oscillator is above the 0 line so that we know that there's volume, and we need the tricks to be crossing up above the 0 line. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to enter at the candle close, and we're going to put our stop loss at the low right there, and then after that all we're going to really do is, well, yeah, stop loss at the low. Then we're going to move our profit target up to 2-to-1 risk to reward. Okay, and as you can see, this would have been a really nice trade. So all right, for selling, it's going to be basically the opposite of buying. So we have to make sure that we are below the EMA. Then what we need to do is make sure that the volume oscillator has up again above 0 line, and last we need the tricks indicator to be crossing down below the 0 line. Once we see that happening, you're going to enter the trade, because that's what the strategy says. So now we will make sure that we put our stop loss at the most recent high. Then what we'll do is you'll move take your profit all the way down to 2-to-1 risk to reward. And as you guys can see right there, the trade would have been a pretty good trade. So now for the indicators, we're going to add tricks. So that's going to be the first one. So type that in, TRIX. Once you see it, it should be the one that's under technicals. Now what we're going to do is change the thickness of it, and so you'll click right here, you'll click there. Alright, if you guys didn't know, I have a cryptocurrency YouTube channel where I'm going to be uploading entry and exit signals so you can make money like the ones that I show on here. Once it reaches 500 subscribers, I'm going to start posting signals so you can get things like here, profits where it's 500, 600%. So go to the description box, you'll find the link. So and also sign up to Bybit. You can get $4,000 for free, because that's where I'm taking the trade. So get your free money too. All right, so we're going to go to the input settings, change the length to 20. All right, and now we're ready to go to the next one. So now you want to go ahead and bring this up and type in volume oscillator, and we're going to click on the one that has technicals right there. And next, change the settings. We are going to make the line thicker on this one too. So style tab, click there, click here, and now you can see it better. Let's go to the inputs, change the short length to 4 and 11 for the long length. All right, the last one, EMA, type that in, and select moving average exponential, and once you click it, it'll be added to the chart, and we will go ahead and change the styles. So go over here, we're going to change the line thickness on this as well. Click right there and click there. Alright, as you guys can see right here, this is an absolutely amazing trade right here. It's live, so if you're interested in learning how to do this, pay attention. I'm offering a discount on my trading course. You're going to get my trading course, and you will get a free one-on-one lesson with me, which is just $100. That's it. And you'll have lifetime access. So join the Discord, join the Telegram. Let me know you're interested, or you can sign up to the email, and I will email you, and we can get all that. So go to the inputs of the EMA, and now you're going to change this to okay, yep, 300. And now we are going to talk about the backtesting results. All right, we're done. I'm going to show you guys the results. They're pretty good, I would say. So the win rate is 62%. and the account size has gone up by 442%. The results are pretty good. I would highly suggest you guys go ahead and test this out by yourself, back test it yourself, and forward test it yourself, because things change depending upon when you watch it, what asset, and you should also never ever believe anything that anybody says on YouTube. So you can also try to improve it and change some settings and test it yourself, but that's gonna do it. So like, subscribe, go down to the description box and sign up to Bybit. Subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Discord, Telegram, email list, all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you guys next time.